Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan anti-scale system is installed at the Coca-Cola factory in Morocco. Before the Vulcan 5000 was installed, the filter in the water recycling room had to be changed every 48 hours because it was frequently clogged with hard limescale deposits. To resolve this issue, the Vulcan 5000 was installed on the water inlet of the water recycling room. Just 48 hours after installation, the filter stayed clean. 2 weeks later, the limescale deposits had softened and started to fall out on their own. This improvement greatly reduced the need for frequent maintenance. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.